Imagine a 12-year-old prince rolling up his sleeves to cook Christmas lunch for 150 homeless people. That's exactly what Prince George did this week, and he did it right alongside his dad, Prince William. This isn't just cute. It's a beautiful echo of Grandma Diana's kindness. Stick around, you're going to love this heartwarming story. The Passage charity in London was buzzing with activity. They were preparing Christmas lunch for 150 people in need. And Prince William brought his eldest son, George, to help. CEO Mick Clark couldn't stop smiling when he described George. He got stuck in, just like his dad. A lovely kid. He was very interested in our work and especially loved talking to people who use our services. This moment is extra special because history repeats itself. Back in 1993, Princess Diana took a young Prince William, just 11 years old, to the very same charity. She wanted him to understand the world beyond palaces. Now, 32 years later, William is passing that same lesson to George. George even signed the visitor's book, right under his father's and grandmother's names from 1993. A direct link from Diana to her grandson, pure magic. George wasn't just watching, he was hands-on. He chopped vegetables, helped set tables, and served food with a big smile. The CEO said George was very much like his dad, ready to work hard and help others. The homeless guests loved meeting him. They shared stories, and George listened with real interest. This is the future of the monarchy. A prince who cares, serves, and connects. In a world full of royal headlines, this is the kind of story that warms the heart. William is raising his children to understand service, just like Diana taught him. George isn't just a prince. He's learning to be a compassionate leader. And this Christmas, that legacy lives on stronger than ever. From Diana's kindness to George's big heart. This is what royalty should be. A reminder that even in palaces, real change starts with rolling up your sleeves. Drop a if this story touched you. Like and subscribe for more heartwarming royal moments. Next, Kate's emotional Christmas update. Merry Christmas from Palace Betrayal.